Hi everyone! Have you been struggling to lose weight, feeling like your energy is always low, or just not feeling your best? If that's you, let me introduce you to something that has completely changed my life. Mitolyn? Now, I'll be honest, I was skeptical at first. I've tried so many products that promise to help with weight loss and energy, but Mitolyn is unlike anything I've ever experienced. Trust me, stick around until the end of this video because I have some exciting news about an exclusive discount that you won't want to miss. And remember, if you decide to try Mitolyn, always buy directly from the official website to ensure you're getting the authentic product. The link is in the description below, so make sure to check it out and secure your exclusive offer. So what exactly is Mitolyn, and why is everyone talking about it? Mitolyn is a revolutionary weight loss support supplement that works by optimizing your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells. According to groundbreaking research, low mitochondrial function is one of the leading causes of slow metabolism and stubborn fat. Here's how it works. Mitolyn's unique formula, made from 6 exotic nutrients and plants, targets your mitochondria to help your body burn more fat, increase energy, and improve overall health. It's not just about losing weight, it's about feeling amazing from the inside out. What sets Mitolyn apart is that it's non-GMO, made in the USA, and comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it risk-free. Now, let me share my personal experience with Mitolyn. I started taking it because, like many of you, I felt stuck. My metabolism was slow, I couldn't lose weight no matter what I tried, and I was constantly tired. But after just 2 weeks on Mitolyn, I noticed real changes. First, my energy levels went through the roof. No more mid-afternoon crashes or feeling drained by the end of the day. Then, by week 3, I started seeing the numbers on the scale go down. I've lost 10 pounds so far, and my clothes are fitting so much better. What I love most is that Mitolyn doesn't just help you lose weight, it makes you feel lighter, more confident, and full of energy. The science behind Mitolyn is what really convinced me to give it a try. Did you know that Harvard scientists discovered that low mitochondria levels are a common factor in people with slow metabolisms? Mitolyn boosts your mitochondria, helping your body burn fat and convert it into pure energy. It's not magic, it's science. One of the best things about Mitolyn is the 90-day money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. That's how confident they are in their product. Honestly, this guarantee gave me the confidence to give Mitolyn a shot. And I can say with 100% certainty that I'm so glad I did. Oh, and before I forget, there's an exclusive discount available on the official website, but it's only for a limited time. So if you're serious about losing weight and feeling amazing, now is the perfect time to give Mitolyn a try. If you've tried Mitolyn or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching.